Manufacturing process of metal beam cross barrier. First, the material selection and the procurement. Full roll format in thickness 3 mm, 2.8 mm, 2.6 mm. Raw material conforming to IS 5986 2011 and oblique 2062 oblique 10748. Yeah, equivalent of the grade FE 250 oblique FE 350 and FE 410 oblique FE 510. Hot dip galvanized to 550 GSM per square meter. Overall length is a 4318 mm and oblique 3318 mm as per customized drawing. Effective length is a 4000 and 3000 mm. Fastener hexa nut bolt round nut bolt as per IS 1366 and 1367. Tolerance as per IS 1852. Double beam and tri beam metal cross barrier, single side, double side, guardrail comprising of the 3 mm and also the customized cold rolled section having minimum L strength is a 2400 kg per square centimeter, having width of the 312 mm for double beam and 510 mm for tri beam. Depth of the corrugation as 83 mm with hot dip galvanized of zinc coating at the rate 550 gram per square meter, having total length is 4.318 meters.